Marine pollution is a significant environmental issue that poses threats to ocean ecosystems, marine life, and human well-being. There are several primary causes of marine pollution, and implementing effective remedies is essential to make oceans pollution-free. Here are the main causes and potential solutions. Plastic pollution cause: improper disposal and excessive use of plastic products, leading to the accumulation of plastic debris in the ocean. Remedies: reduce plastic consumption and opt for reusable alternatives. Implement proper waste management and recycling systems. Support initiatives to clean up existing plastic waste from oceans. Oil spills cause: accidental or intentional releases of oil from ships, offshore drilling, and industrial activities. Remedies: strict regulations and improved safety measures in oil transportation. Enhanced emergency response plans to contain and clean up oil spills promptly. Encourage research into more environmentally friendly oil spill cleanup technologies. Nutrient pollution, eutrophication, cause: runoff of excess nutrients, for example, fertilizers, from agriculture and untreated sewage, leading to algal blooms and oxygen-depleted dead zones. Remedies: implement sustainable farming practices to reduce nutrient runoff. Restore and protect coastal wetlands, which act as natural filters. Industrial and chemical pollution cause: discharge of pollutants from industrial activities, including heavy metals, toxins, and chemicals, into water bodies that eventually reach the ocean. Remedies: enforce stricter regulations on industrial wastewater discharges. Promote the use of eco-friendly and non-toxic chemicals in industries. Encourage pollution prevention and cleaner production practices. Marine debris and litter cause: improper waste disposal on beaches, rivers, and coastal areas, leading to marine debris and litter. Remedies: raise public awareness about the impacts of marine debris. Organize regular beach cleanups and community initiatives. Develop policies to discourage single-use items and encourage recycling. Climate change cause: rising temperatures, ocean acidification, and sea level rise due to increased greenhouse gas emissions. Remedies: reduce carbon emissions through clean energy adoption and conservation efforts. Support climate adaptation measures to protect coastal areas and marine ecosystems. Invasive species cause: introduction of non-native species through ballast water from ships, creating imbalances in marine ecosystems. Remedies: implement ballast water treatment systems to prevent the transfer of invasive species. Combating marine pollution requires a combination of individual actions, industry responsibility, government regulations, and international cooperation. By addressing these primary causes and implementing effective remedies, we can work toward making oceans cleaner and healthier for current and future generations. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Basics in. Like and share my video with friends and family.